If you're an affiliate marketer and you are interested in Digitstem affiliate marketing, one of the things you'll be interested in is how to withdraw your money once you've made your commissions on the platform. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw your money from Digitstem after you've earned some $20, $30, $50 or more. Let's get right into it. If you are new here, you're welcome. My name is Victoria, and on this channel I share different videos about making money online, affiliate marketing, and videos like that. So if this is something that interests you, make sure that you click on the subscribe button below, share this video with somebody, like this video, and leave me comments in the comment section. So basically, once you are signed in into your account, this is what your dashboard will look like. So on the left side, you see your e-learning dashboard, membership, marketplace, leaderboard, contest, activity, deposits, withdrawals, transaction, and commissions. So under the transactions, you'll be able to see the sales that you have made and the expenditure that you have made also. So as at this time, I've made 3 sales and 1 purchase. You've also got a URL shortener, which helps you to shorten the URL you'll be sharing with people whom you want to sell these products to. Under your affiliate dashboard, you'll be able to see the e-learning that's available to you. So if you click on that YouTube icon, you'll be able to play it and learn about it. It's like a basic information about affiliate marketing that Digitstem has already provided for you. There are other things on the left side of the dashboard also, which you can go through, your courses and forum certificates and things like that. Now going back to the main dashboard, this is where you will see your withdrawals, and your withdrawals will only be available to be requested only on Fridays, I believe. Fridays between afternoon and evening. So that is when this request now button will be showing for you. I'm not sure if that has changed, but if you request any information, just chat them up on Twitter or send them an email. So basically, this is my own dashboard, and as you've seen, there was $20 there which I was ready to transfer out at this time. So I click on request now, and it asked me to select gateway. So I picked bank transfer for Nigerians, because if you pick for non-Nigerians, then you will only be able to take it out in a non-Nigerian bank, which I will show you. So you pick any amount that you have, it will convert it for you, and it's going to show you the charge that they will take. Typically they take 0.15 USD for every money that you are putting in or withdrawing out. So once you are sure of what you want to get out, and one thing that I've noticed with Nigerian bank transfers here is that for every transaction you are making, their conversion rate is always 500 naira. Even as at that time when naira rate was at almost 1,000, they still put it at 500 naira. So you might feel exploited in that way. If you are not happy with this, I mean, I guess the only thing you can do is not to transact with Digitstem, because this is their standard conversion rate. Whether naira is, whether dollar is 1,500 or 2,000 naira, their standard is 1 USD is 500 naira, which I am totally not in support of. But anyway, I'm doing this to show you guys how to withdraw your money from Digitstem. So let's get on with it. So if you are okay with how much it is, it will calculate how much you'll be getting in naira. Then you click on submit. So here I'm just trying to change the amount to 20 USD. So once it's on 20 USD, I am going to submit. So now that I have submitted, as you can see, the status is now pending and the withdrawal request has been sent successfully. It actually took less than a day for my bank account to be credited with the amount. So just give it a couple of hours and you see the amount reflected in your Nigerian bank account. And of course, your bank details will have been supplied earlier when you were opening your Digitstem account. So they already have your bank details, and that's where they will send it to. Now, just for context, like I said earlier, I was going to check how much $1 is in Naira at that time when I changed this. So $1 is 891 Nigerian Naira at that time, and the standard for Digitstem was still 500 Naira. I even checked it on black market and on other platform, CBN rates, black market rates, and it was definitely more than 500 Naira per $1. But Digistem's own is 500. So if you are not comfortable with that, then it will be better to not even start with Digistem at all, if you get what I mean. So we are back on the dashboard now. And as you can see, 0.15 has been deducted from the $20, and what I will be getting is 18.85 USD, which translated to 9,000 plus at that time. Now, if you are new to Digitstem, or you do not even know what Digitstem is and you want to get involved in affiliate marketing, I have left a link to the playlist that I've got on Digitstem affiliate marketing in the description box below, so you can go through it and learn more about how to make your first $10, $20, $50 on Digitstem affiliate marketing. So this is for you if you are in Africa, or you are in Nigeria, or majorly most African countries have access to this. So it's something that you can get started on and start making money online with. I hope that's helpful, guys. If you really want to know more about Digitstem affiliate marketing or affiliate marketing in general, then you want to sign up to my newsletter in the description box below. Please make sure that you give it a thumbs up, leave me comments below, share this with somebody, and don't forget to subscribe. Click the first link in the description box below and also in the comment section, and I'll be in your email inbox. Thank you, and I'll see you in these other videos showing on your screen.